In this example, we're asked to write the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence with the given first term, a sub 1, and the common ratio r. So a sub 1, again, means your first term. So our first term is 16. The common ratio, r stands for the common ratio, that is 1/2. So this is a geometric sequence. So remember, you're going to multiply. So that's going to be 16 times 1/2. Now, anytime you have a fraction, it's the same thing as dividing by that denominator. So you can also read it as 16 divided by 2. So either way, you can say 16 times 1/2, or it's maybe easier to just go 16 divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is going to give us 8. So our next term is 8. And again, our common ratio is 1/2. So 8 divided by 2 is going to give us 4. To get our next term, that's 4 divided by 2, which is going to give us 2. And our last term there, because we're finding the first 5, 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. And there you have it, the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence, with the first term being 16 and the common ratio of 1/2. So just a recap, arithmetic sequences are those that have a common difference. In other words, the difference between your terms. Going forward is adding, going backwards, subtraction. Geometric sequences, on the other hand, they have common ratios, and going forward it would be multiplication, or going backwards it would be a form of division. Now, of course, if it's a fraction, it would probably be easiest to use division. But anyway, improving your abstract reasoning skills is a great exercise to train your brain to critically think and come up with solutions for any given problem in today's world. So let me give you a few tips to help you with problem solving and reasoning. First of all, if it's a visual pattern or sequence of some sort, you want to look out for shapes or objects that rotate, reflection or alternating patterns, or change of position in any way, change of colors. You also want to determine whether it is repeating or not. Now, for numerical sequences like geometric, arithmetic sequences, and by the way, not all numerical sequences are arithmetic or geometric. Sometimes the number could be increasing by 1. For example, +1, +2, +3. Whenever it's not increasing by a constant number, then it's not arithmetic or geometric. But the bottom line, numerical sequences, you want to look at the common differences, the differences between the two numbers as you go along, and see whether there's a common difference or whether there's a common ratio. Are the terms increasing, decreasing, or alternating in signs? What type of rule was probably used? Was it addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? You want to look at all of those while you are trying to determine what's the next term in a sequence, or when you're thinking about it logically, you want to look at all of these different aspects.